ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Shillong, it's been too long. It's Ronan Keating and I am coming back to India. Finally, I will see you there at the Cherry Blossom Festival, November 19.
The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. It's the way you make me feel. It's better than I've ever known.
Kum kadak jong kajing pensawa haki skor jong Prime Minister dari India haki skor jong ke Ministry and Home Affairs ya ke jingkwa jong kari berkejat benreu kadba na ken mga hinsa penbot ya ke ka kentin ka bakado. The indigenous tribe of Meghalaya need protection and inner right permit is the solution. ILP. We want the government of India to respect the resolution adopted by the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly for inclusion of the Khasi and Karo language in the schedule of the Constitution of India. Then Khasi to implement the Bengal Eastern Frontier Recognition Act 1873. ILP, Hanm support the resolution adopted by the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly for inclusion of the Khasi in the schedule of the Constitution of India. ILP, we won, no LP. Haba Ktien, kerjat benreu, Ktien Khasi. Government of India to honor the resolution passed by the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly to implement the Bengal Eastern Frontier Recognition Act 1873. ILP. The indigenous tribe of Meghalaya needs protection in a permit its solution. ILP. Hanm demand from the government of India to implement the inner line permit in Meghalaya as adopted in the resolution by the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly on 19 December 2019. ILP to protect and promote the indigenous language of Khasi. We need inclusion in the schedule of the Indian Constitution. Then Khasi, when the language exits, the community will survey. Then Khasi language. Kajing Dawa ban Pynurlong Ktien Khasi haga Khyrnit ko Phra jong kariti ka sensar di India kelajan kot menta syaka sabus nem Ktien Khasi. Even pig has its own pig style. How tribes do not have proper demarcation of boundary. Border issue. The tribes that has its own boundary, land those tribes has its own an aspiration. Border issue. Kajat benreu, kapitan lo putusam, kakhendau siap, kadai kajat benreu, kapadan ni kejengkerman. Border issue. Upurusam kakhendau siap, kamut kadai kari, ladang hidup no, ya khendau siap, kamut ngaduk ya kari. Hanm, salat napang. Dia. Haka kerteng jong kajat penriu kaseng han yotrep Aceh National Movement halal Ktien Khasi ban Pynurlong no hakrit Phra kariti sinsar ke India kakwa banken lampang kumne haba pek kumne la Pynurlong ya Ktien Khasi hakrit Phra kariti sinsar ke India Kamdan kano ka kendon kasyong hakamon jong kibreu kiban hakabor ka jingthong ya komiti daga Sorkar pedang kalong dang tang menpendap ya karukom kidon lai teligi kin la Pynurlong kado haka Khyrnit Phra jong kariti sinsar kata kadai Ktien bodo dokri batsan thali Haus nam hajar sau hadin baka Sorkar pedang kala thal komiti Baro Ktien kila rong hakan Khyrnit Phra kidon puar teli Ktien kidang sa menta hapa kasat trekam poyeng ka Sorkar pedang kibla Dawa ban yo yang itu ne Pynurlong haka Khyrnit Phra ka dinsar kri India kidon lai Phra teli barka Ktien jongi kadon hau nambar bakat Phra kibreu kibakren ya Ktien ha India kidon iwe sau arnyau iwe hamme khalaya kidon iwe lai Phra arnyau Phra ha Assam kidon lai sau san Phra ha Bangladesh lo kidon Khasi kumba Phra pusan point iwai are not good to kine nayakan dihap hagwai kari ka jingdawa ban Pynurlong ya Ktien Khasi haga Khyrnit Phra jong ka riti sinsar ke India kerajaan kot menta sau pau politisnam om ban ya snow bismi le keno ka Ktien Khasi ka khamroi pada Ktien bodo Henry la Pynurlong ya Ktien bodo kapala kren da kibreu 1.4 million watts tang nakadaw ban penjam yaki namar nitip ka kapala jia hakatai ke jela Assam dai nakadaw jong ke jia unsam nang ta susu ka Ktien Manipur kelayorong hakakhrit Phra hakariti sinsar ke India la kren yaka daki breu ki bedon iwei 0.3 million kaba ka United Nation Educational Scientific and Cultural Organization lane ka UNESCO kelanyau bakadai ka Ktien ka badon kreng ka jingma ka bala bandujai ka jing khoklei ka lek saki MLA baro nrepungut kibala sim ya karai hak arpunya otorit nailur jong usnam arajar Phra hapo kayinda baso anja jala bandawa naga Sorkar pedang ban Pynurlong ya Ktien Khasi kibala don ki iwei 0.4 million ngot hakariti sinsar jong kari India haka jingin jonga kum unong eram jong seng ban Pynurlong ya Ktien Khasi haka Khyrnit Phra don kam ke jia twelang jong baro ki MLA klem de kanyang oda yo Pynurlong haka Khyrnit Phra jong kariti sinsar jong kari India ya Ktien Khasi kamdei kang banyo i ke itu Henry ka jing mentoi kalong ba enla bana penklan susu ya Ktien Khasi bat kerpang kan long kawai nagi subjek haki eksamen watkam haka Sorkar pedang kane kan yarak peniyok kam yo jam yani kum kejaj penreo ha India ya menta kejakin bakran baro kidon sispa arpoeteli bata pedang kini kren Ktien lajong kidon aspa nyo pauteli ban Pynurlong ya kadon Ktien haka Khyrnit Phra jong dari sisar ke India Camdon kono ka kendon Henry ka Shong Skor Pudeng Pan Thau Yang Committee Pan Pynurlong yang kono pen Hakan Phra Jong kari Tisar kari India. The Hanm Threat Against National Movement at Hanm, one of the pressure groups from Meghalaya. We implore through Your Excellency to pick up with the government of India to include Khasi language in the accedal to the Constitution of India. Excellency, till that the government of India has included 22 languages in the accedal to the Constitution of India, and the last inclusion is done in 2004, where 3 languages were included: Bodo, Dokri, and Maithili. At present, there are 38 languages are on the list, requesting the Union Government of India to include in the accedal to the Constitution of India. Out of the 38 languages, the Khasi language listed in number 18. The Khasi language was spoken by 1,427,711 people, mainly in Meghalaya, include those who reside in Assam, Manipur, Mizoram, West Bengal, and few in others in India. For information, 85.129 people living in Bangladesh also speak the Khasi language. To recall the demand for inclusion of the Khasi language in the accedal to the Constitution of India has been continuously for the last 40 years. The Khasi community in population are more or less the same with the Bodo and Manipuri communities. The organization thanks to all the MLAs of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, where with one voice they have adopted resolution on the 27 September 2018 to urge the government of India to include Khasi language in the accedal to the Constitution of India. Excellency, the benefit if the Khasi language includes to the accedal of the India Constitution is not only to get the recognition. Apart from that, it will be part of the language that will include in the completion exam in the Union Government. This will benefit the tribal community of Meghalaya to assimilate themselves with the mainstream India. In our country, we have 1-to-1 languages spoken in different parts, and we have 270 dialects looking from the previous inclusion of any language to the accedal. Those have any hard and fast rule, but it's mainly depend on the political will of the Union Government of India. Thank you.